Lord fire. Yeah, you need to get that looked at, man. You need to deal with that. We are outside again. And yeah, family, today, look who's come to find me. Look. Does anyone recognize that? That used to be my baby, the ZX7R. Yeah, man, so I got rid of it. And the brother who bought it off me, he loves the thing. And he says, yeah, let's go for a little circle, man. So I thought, why not? Why not? Get me? But yeah, family, remember, on the road to 500 subscribers. Come on, help me out. Subscribe. But yeah, we're literally just having a little ride about, nothing special. It's always nice to have more than one bike on the screen, you get me? Yeah, man, he's loving that, man. He's loving it. So what are you guys doing today, man? Are you just sitting down watching videos, or are you watching them now and you're getting on your bike later? Or have you already been out and you're kicking back? What's the MO? What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, that looks alright. We're just gonna keep going straight. Huh? We're just gonna keep going straight. Come on, man. Oh, you hear that popping? Oh, I swear. I wonder if I can swap that exhaust. I used to love the sound of that, man. See, this brother has been pulling this bike apart, putting it back together, pulling it apart, putting it back together. What is he doing now? What's he pulling over? What's up? What's up? What's up with it?
It's burning hot. So I want to check. I want to take this panel real quick.
You know what? Back it up a bit so it's not blocking their drive, innit?
Because it's, I can't leave the back.
Oh. Or maybe push it forward a bit then, innit? You see, when I had that, the only issue I really had with it is sometimes in the mornings it used to take a while to start because of the carbs. I don't know what this brother's doing. You pull it apart, Mac, and you put it back together and you not put it together right.
I'm thinking maybe there's some air chocolate system again.
Oh.
That's why it's not cooling down. So I'm going to be pressing down on the part, seeing if there's air coming out.
What was the temperature on when you was riding it?
All the way in the red.
Oh, serious?
Yeah.
And was the fan coming on?
I can't really hear the fan when I'm moving. It's difficult to hear it.
Some nice houses up here though still. I know nothing, so I can't even help you, Bridget.
All the coolant is going into the reservoir, but it's not going back into the line.
What does that mean?
That means it's not getting coolant. Yeah, right, it's on the motorway.
So again?
Is there a motorway near here?
A motorway?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think now. I think if you go back that way. Where were you trying to get to?
Because I want to see if it does the same thing on the motorway.
Oh, you want to call it like that?
Yeah.
We go back on ourselves. You can go up by the M5. Go on, I'll let you go in front so you can tell me if you need to pull over.
I don't know the road too well.
Just carry on straight. Just keep going straight. Right, so what's going on now is some heating problems. Something to do with the coolant. I don't know what's going on. But the fan ain't kicking in for some reason, so I don't know, man. He keeps pulling that thing apart, pulling it together, and it turns out worse. When I had it, that was not really the case more time. Go on, mate. I don't know what I go on there, so you know, make it. See, the thing about these bikes is they don't like to sit still. They sit still, the temperature starts climbing up, but the fan kicks in. So for some reason the fan ain't kicking in. So what he's doing now is he's trying to see if we can take it up the motorway and see if the air cools the bike down. The M5 is that way. Yeah, the M5 is that way. What we do, we get on the M5, yeah, and we do one junction. So when we get on there, we come off at West Brom or something. Yeah? Yeah, so we just get on, come off at West Brom, see if that cools it down. Nah. Lord fire. Yeah, you need to get that looked at, man. You need to deal with that. And that's never done that to me. Go on, mate, go on. Yeah, you want to get that looked at, mate. It's never been that hot, mate.
It used to run so cold, right?
Say again?
It used to run so cold.
I remember you saying that it was afterwards, it was too cold, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so, you sure you want to do it? You sure you want to do it? You sure? Alright. Right, so that 7 was trying to cook itself, man. So we're back on the road. We're gonna do a little M5 one junction run. I did ask him if he really wants to do that, and he's like, yeah. Oh, look at that traffic. Yeah, you cook it with that traffic. There's loads of traffic. What about that one then? What he's hoping is that that cools itself down with the air in it. The thing is, he absolutely loves that bike. He loves it. I loved it too, man, but you know my back. I don't know why this brother's just hanging out in a hard shoulder, you know. Now the burning question is, no pun intended, is I'm gonna go right at the lights. No good. Yeah, he's cooking. That was the burning question, is it still cooking on the motorway? Oh gosh. Right, so how was it on the motorway?
Not good.
Still cooking on the motorway?
Yeah. You were saying right below the red,
Yeah.
they wasn't going down.
Fucking hell. Yeah, it's mad geezer, this guy. He's mad guy. Anyway, listen, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.